This home has a very large concrete patio back here. Very good condition. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. This patio wraps around to the back of the garage area. That's a better look at your roof. That was replaced in 2020. Hello and welcome everyone. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Bel Air in the northern part of the Villages. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Austin model home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello and welcome, friends. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video. We are located here in the village of Bel Air in the northern part of the Villages. We do have a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home located here in the northern part of the Villages. I will first start by taking a panoramic view of the street. That is panning left, friends. And panning to my right, that is panning east. The front of this home does face south, and the back of the home faces north. The first thing I notice about this Austin series home is the painted driveway. It's a very deep setback. It is a wood-framed home. It has a 1.5 car garage as well. The roof was replaced in the year 2020. That is a better view of the roof. And this home has no bond. You can see that this home has a very large patio area in the front as well. And you can contact the listing agent, Karen Kamperman. Right there is her contact information. I'll include that in the description of the video. Or you can contact the showing agent, and I will introduce you to him shortly. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am in the foyer area. Hello, Don. Can you tell us a little bit about this home?
Yes, Tim. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath Austin-style home, and it has an on-demand hot tank and a built-in microwave.
Okay, and we are in the village of Bel Air, and it is list price for $299,000.
That is correct.
Thank you. I will take my subscribers on a tour of this home. I appreciate it.
Thanks for coming, Tim.
Here I am standing in the foyer area, and the foyer does have a linoleum floor. The living area also has a carpeted floor as well. I do notice there are stereo speakers in the ceiling, very high ceilings with acoustic texture. And I do notice that the dining area over there does have laminate floors as well. Linoleum floors. Off to the left, you do see the kitchen area. I will visit that area a little bit later. To the right of the foyer area, you see a guest quarters. You have a guest bathroom on the left. That has linoleum floors as well. It has a Formica countertop, wood cabinets, one sink, acoustic textured ceilings. It has a tub and shower surround, which is fiberglass or plastic. That is your tub right there, friends. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. This is your linen closet off your guest bathroom. That is your linen closet right there. This home is offered at $299,000. This is a guest bedroom located in the front of the home. It does have carpeted floors, acoustic textured ceilings. The front of this home does face south, friends. It does have a bifold door on the closet with wire rack shelves. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. As I mentioned before, this home does not have a bond on it. That kitchen does have Formica countertops. I will video the specification sheet You can contact your listing agent, Karen Kamperman, with Keller Williams Cornerstone Real Estate. This home is located at 331 Roanoke Street in the Villages. List price $299,000. Feel free to pause the video at any point. There are your room dimensions as well. Room dimensions are, living room is 17 by 16 feet. I will take you through the rest of this home. That is a solar tube in the kitchen right there, friends. It is a acoustic textured ceiling, Formica countertops, natural gas stove. That does appear to be wallpaper on the backsplash. It has a 2-bowl stainless sink, wood cabinets. There's another stereo speaker in the ceiling. I will spin around and I will show you the island right there as well. I will take a panoramic view of that living and dining area. It does have a mural on the wall in that living dining area over there. I will take you into the garage. This is a 1.5 car garage. It has painted concrete floors. It has a sink, and the laundry is in the garage. It has cabinets as well. This home has a 1.5 car garage. It also has a electronic screen door as well. It has cabinets. There you have it. I will walk into the back of the home next. As I enter the home, it has stainless appliances. Here we are walking out into the back of the home. Off to the left is a bedroom with a sliding patio door. Has linoleum floors. This room has knockdown textured ceilings in it as well. Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. The back of this home does face north. We'll take you out into the backyard as well. This home has a very large concrete patio back here. Very good condition. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. This patio wraps around to the back of the garage area. That's a better look at your roof. That was replaced in 2020. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. That is the back of your home there. That is the side of your home there. Thank you for liking. I do appreciate it. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom Austin model home in the Village of Bel Air. List price $299,000. It is a wood-framed home with vinyl siding. Next, I will walk into the primary bedroom area. It does have carpeted floors, acoustic textured ceilings. The primary bedroom is 15 feet by 14 feet. It does have a mirror on the wall over there as well. That is the bathroom area. Off the primary bedroom, that has carpeted floors in front of the vanity, wood cabinets, Formica countertop, 1 sink, acoustic textured ceilings. You do have a walk-in closet off to the right. That is your walk-in closet there, friends. Wire rack shelves. It has bars to hang your clothes on. There is linoleum flooring. There is a commode space. There is a window above that commode. There is a shower. It is, I believe, a 48-inch shower, very large. It is plastic or fiberglass. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate that. We'll turn around and show you what it looks like from the bathroom area. Next, I will walk out into to the front of that home, I will show you one last panoramic view of this home. Very high ceilings, very clean home. Natural gas stove. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, I do appreciate it. We'll walk and give you a panoramic view from this corner of the living area. Next, I will walk out into this street and I will show you a panoramic view of the home. Here I am walking out to the street. You do see this home does have sunshade over the windows. As always, you can contact your listing agent, Karen Kamperman. I will include her contact information in the description of the video, or the showing agent today. I will walk to the street. I will show you one last panoramic view of the street, of this home. There you have it, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, Austin Series home, no bond, roof replaced in the year 2020. Have a great week, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me, located here in the village of Bel Air. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom wood-framed home is offered at $299,000. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care.